Hey guys, Aircraft Adventures, and today I'm going to show you a video about airfoil. An airfoil is a shape that a wing is made of. As you can see here on the left, we have an airfoil, which is the side view of a wing. This airfoil generates high amounts of pressure on the bottom and low amounts on the top, which creates lift since the higher pressure pushes up on lower pressure, which makes it go up. Without an airfoil, you wouldn't have that efficiency of the wing, since it generates more lift without that much throttle applied to the aircraft, making it more aerodynamic and way more efficient. The dihedral angle, as you can see on the bottom right, is the angle of the wings. The angle of the wings can help make the ride of your aircraft more smoother, you go through the air a lot better, and increase the amounts of lift. The camber line, cord line and camber line, I should say, are very important to the airfoil. The cord line is just splitting the airfoil in half, top to bottom. The camber line is the difference between the top and bottom. The camber line is how much of a difference there is, as you can see on the dotted line. And the cord line, basically on the bottom of the cord line, we have an airfoil generating high lift. On the top, we just have the low lift generator on that cord line. The shape effects of the lift, as you can see on the left, we have a teardrop shaped airfoil, which doesn't generate that much lift since it's just trying to get around the air than rather get lift out of the air. On the right, we have a flap-like airfoil, which generates high amounts of pressure below it since it traps more air than the left airfoil, and it's like a teardrop on the top to get the air just to go around it without slowing it down. Here we have the angle of attack. The angle of attack is the angle of the wing being up or down, as you can see here. The angle of attack can help increase lift or decrease lift. It matters on the angle. If the angle of attack, as shown here, is up, there will be more air hitting the bottom of the wing, generating more lift, and there will be less air on the top, creating a lower air pressure, making the wing go up. But if you make the angle of attack too great, you will stall. There won't be enough pressure on the bottom, and it'll equalize. It'll be equal pressure on the top and the bottom, and the air will just stop moving. You'll stall and crash. And if you aim your wing angle of attack low, you'll just be going into a dive, as you've probably seen already. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of basic. I'm not really going to go in depth with the airfoil, because this is really all you really need to know if you're getting into the RC hobby. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.